Welcome to this video tutorial of Profile of Phonological Awareness, or Pro-PA. And now we're going to learn how to get started using the application designed to give you an idea of the student's phonological awareness skills. My name is Barbara Fernandez. I'm a speech language pathologist, and I'm going to be guiding you throughout this process. As you can see here, I already have a student called Victor Fernandez. When you open the app, you won't see any students. There are two ways of adding students. You can add a student individually, or you can add him to a group. That group can be a classroom, can be an entire grade, or it can be just a small group that you're doing a therapy with. Let's get started by tapping the Add Student button. We have an option here of taking a student photo or just leaving it blank. You can enter here the name of that student. I'm going to go ahead and enter it now. Then I'm going to enter the date of birth. Then I can assign a teacher name. I can put who is administering this assessment. In this case, it's going to be me, Fernandez. You can select a grade. I'm going to put here 4th grade and the group. You will see here that I have Mrs. D, 3rd grade. This is a group that I created. I'm able to tap here on this plus and create a new group. So for example, I can put a group for an entire 1st grade. 1st grade students and add. This way, next time I'm in, I can actually select between 1st grade student or Mrs. D, 3rd grade. And this is a female. Then I'm going to go to the top and select Add. As you can see here, the student doesn't have any photos or any assessments, and it's been added to Mrs. D 3rd class, which you can access going up or down here on this menu. If you want to change where that student is, you can always select here and you can move Maria to no group. Then you tap Save. If you ever want to delete her, you click on that. You're going to swipe it to the right, and you see now we have a delete button, and you can press that to delete that individual student. And you can also do this for any students. You cannot delete a group until you don't have any students inside that group. So you cannot delete this group here that we created for 3rd grade without first deleting or moving these two different students somewhere else. But here is Maria, and we're going to go ahead and start a screening with her by tapping on New Test. As we select New Test, we have an option here to assess all areas, or we can assess just isolating, segmenting, deleting, or substituting. So if it's marked as green, if the circle is filled, it means that that's the areas that we are testing. If it's white, it means the areas that we're not testing.